Hey everyone, it's Michael Tiny Saul with the stock market trading watch list for the week of June 6, 2011. I'm combining last week's list with this week's list. Last week was just a couple of stop outs. So let's talk about them. Netflix stopped out for the 1 unit loss. Yes, it was 10 points, but it's still only 1 unit. Please watch the video that's referenced in the front of this video about how to map out your unit size and how that applies to risk and all that other stuff. So Netflix was a loser. Acor was a slight winner here. All right, we had updated it on the 9 a.m. update. You could see here that it opened up at 32.17. The entry was 32.23, so it was a 6-cent gain, counting that as a scratch. And then Sohu traded to the stop. Okay, 82.49 was seen before the entry. So gotta let this one go, and I was thinking of putting it on the list, but at this point there should be some digestion in this Sina, S-I-N-A, in Monday's trade. So if it digests and maybe forms a little pattern over the next few days, I'll look for a potential entry. But 2 new stocks to put on the list this week. Mako Surgical Corp in a nice, what I call a dynamite triangle or power pennant, whatever you want to call it. Nice candle here on Friday. You could see that it came in a little bit below Thursday's highs and a bit above Thursday's lows. And the volume came up, even though it was a red volume bar, which means it lost on the session. It's an inside bar, so and it's a doji to boot, so it's more or less a digestion candle. Looking at a 34.02 long entry, 32.62 stop loss. Move stops to break even after a 65-cent gain. Half off plus $1.50. Half off plus 3. That's Mako. And United Therapeutics, doji at the 200-day moving average. You can see here overall that this looks like it could be a potential topping pattern. If it is, we'll see if we can get a bounce here back to the quote-unquote neckline. It's technically not a neckline because this really isn't a head and shoulders, but it's in the spirit of a neckline. So let's see if we can get a reactive bounce here. 63.02 long, 62.02 stop, so a $1 stop. Move stops after 50 cents. That's move stops to break even after 50 cents. Half off plus 1, half off plus 2. Just looking for a scalp or a short-term trade on this one. So that's it. 2 new ones. We'll update, add, subtract, and manage as the week progresses. Have a great trading day on Monday and a great trading week overall.